My name is Ahmed Shaban. I wanted to show you this program that I built, which made my life easier as a medical biller. I work as a medical biller for an agency that work with kids who have autism. So usually we have sessions. We have technicians who work with kids who have autism, and then uh, they send us the details of those sessions. Then we bill for them. So I'm gonna add the first claim and then explain upon that. So first of all, we add the name of the technician, then the name of the client. So the program shows you all the names that are related to this letter. So and then the location of the session. So usually we have sessions at office, or it would be school or home, and then service type, and then the date of the session and when the session started and when it ended. And then if we want to write a comment about the session went well. So the program adds all the input fields that I entered, and then it automates some of the stuff. So for instance, I didn't input the education modifier of the technician. So HO means that they have masters, and if they have lower than masters, then it would be HN. So this already stored in here. So as you can see, it grabs this cell, and then it turned this. It, before that, it was red, but then it turned to white because that means it's in this sheet. So as you can see, we don't have. I don't want to confuse you, but we don't have Arham, Don, or Alicia Tien in this sheet. Once we enter them, they turn to white. And the purpose of this is sometimes when we have more than 100 technicians, some technicians they tend to forget to send their progress note or the document of the claim. And then that this program let us know that, okay, these technicians did not send a progress note, or in other words, did not send claims. So we send them an email to follow up upon that, or they could be taking a vacation. But in other words, it's just let us know that we need to see if they actually forgot to send it, or they're on vacation, or for whatever other reason. So the next thing is we can try it again for uh, different insurance type. So we could try Alicia TN, and then the client name would be Camel, and then home is ABA service, today's session, and from 1 till 2:45, and comment, we could just leave it. And as you can see, because this is a private client, it colored it, and then it changed the rate of the client, and if the technician has a different education modifier, it changes it as well. And then it also calculates the duration of the session, and we need the duration because we calculate the units based on the duration, and the price is based on the units. So this makes our life easier when we bill for those claims, because then we know that we are entering the right information in the system or in the website. Um, what else? So that's about it. Usually I have, this is 114 row. But, from row 1 until 111, it has all the clients that for the company that I work in, but I don't want to show that information for confidentiality purposes, as well as HIPAA procedures. Um, the same goes here. So this is 122. We have more than 122 technicians working with us. Um, so that's about it. And also, this program can be developed more, and the next thing would be to, since we have clean data, that means we can run data analysis on this data, meaning if we have more than 1,000 row, we can see how many, how many we have claimed, and if we got paid the right amount from uh, the county that we are billing for. So also one more thing. So if I type, I want to show one other thing. Because sometimes we would have canceled sessions. It would be canceled either from the technician or from the client or the client parents. So if we type cancel and then add, so it colors it differently, so we know that this is canceled. So it gives the biller some kind of indicator that do not bill for this one because it's canceled. Uh, so yeah, and also the next thing would be another feature would be sorting them. So right now it's not showing because we don't have a lot of clients. But if I add the same client name, let's say Allah Ahmad, and then say Camel 5, and so as you can see, Camel is right here. If I hit sort, so it sorts all the rows, and that makes our uh, the biller job easier. So they would enter this client name in the website and then bill for all their work, instead of, if you had so many rows, you would like bill for Camel Mike, and then at row 1000, for instance, you would go find another claim for Camel Mike and then bill for it, and that takes so much time. Other way, you'd sort it and then bill it. Bill for Camel Mike one time, and yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you're interested. And as I said, um, the next thing would be run data analysis on all these rows and see how much we've made the last 2 weeks or the last week, and so we can balance it out with how much we got paid from uh, the county. Uh, Thank you very much, and let me know if you're interested.